that I'm doing my makeup. I've got makeup, my paint, the party. I'll put the white on. I'll just do it very quickly, and I'll rub it all in, and then I'll see you guys. My makeup! Foundation! It doesn't matter. But later. Anyway. It's too cold! There you go! Now I'm going to do eyeshadow. No. Now I'm going to do like a little one. So far. No, we got eyeshadow on the first. Finished with the blood. Now I'm going to do eyeshadow. Eyeshadow on the other side. I'm not going to do a big blood, but I'll just do one. Anyway, guys, I'll just do my hair next, and then when I'm done, so thank you guys for watching my makeup. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and comment and share with all your friends. Bye!